1. And we already found that 1 interior angle for Z is 144. So we will have formed an equation with only one unknown. We only don't know how many sides. So if we solve this equation, we will be able to solve for the n, which is the number of sides. So we start by, got n in the denominator, then we will not be able to solve n, so we must multiply n to both sides. Multiply n to the left hand side will cancel out this denominator, so we no longer have the denominator. Then we will have n minus 2 times 180 equals to 144 n. Expand 180 n minus 360 equals to 144 n. Put all the n on one side, subtract 144 n from both sides, then it will appear on the left hand side as negative. Put all the number on the other side, add 360 to both sides, then this will cancel and this will become a positive 360. 180n minus 144n, 36n. 36n equals to 360 degrees, n equals to 360 divided by 36, n equals to 10. So this is actually a 10-sided polygon. 10-sided polygon, then each interior angle will be 144. Okay? Okay. Not bad, huh? Come to question 10. Graph plotting always let you take a break from the more difficult calculations. Answer the whole of this question on the space below and draw your graph on the grid provided on the next page. Madam Tan bakes cupcakes for sale. The profit $Y that she earns for selling X cupcake is given by Y equals to 5x minus 90 for X between 0 to 80. The table below shows some corresponding values of X and Y. Okay? So when she baked 0 cake, what is the money that she earns? When she baked 10 cakes, what is the money that she earns? When she baked 30 cakes, X, what is the money that she earns? Okay? Cake is number of cakes. Number of cakes is X. Then the profit is Y. So when she baked 50 cakes, she earned 160. So the question wants you to find the value of P and Q. When she baked 0 cake, what is the profit that she earns? And this number of cakes and profit is related by this equation. Profit is 5 times the cupcake minus 90. So now for x equals to 0 we need to find what is y when x equals to 0, then we will know what is p. So to find that, we substitute x equals to 0 into this equation. When x is equals to 0, 5 times x is also equals to 0. Anything times 0 also 0 ma. So y is equals to, this side becomes 0 already, so y is just equals to negative 90. So p is negative 90. Then what is q? Q is when x equals to 80. Okay, so q is equals to 5 times x. When x is equals to 80, we put x as bracket 80, then minus 90. So q is equals to 400 minus 90, so equals to 360. P is negative 90, Q is 310. Using a scale of 2 cm to represent 10 cupcakes on the x-axis and 2 cm to represent $50 on the y-axis, draw the line for 5x, y equal to 5 minus 90 for x from 0 to 80 and y from negative 100 to 350. Okay, but this we cannot use 2 cm because when we print this question paper for you, it is it has been shrunk already. So 2 cm, this like that, one big box is 2 cm. If we really take ruler to measure, I think this will be less than 2 cm already because we print this should be one page one. If we print this as one page, it will be 2 cm, but now we print this as half a page. So it has been shrunk already. So still take this one big box as 2 cm. They already draw your x-axis and y-axis for you already. Every 2 cm, they already tell you every 2 cm is how much on the x. Every 2 cm is 10 cupcakes. So 2 cm, 10. Another 2 cm, 20. Another 2 cm, 30. Another 2 cm, 40. Another 2 cm, 60. Another 2 cm, 80. Okay? You only need your graph until x is 80. Then for your y is 2 cm represents $50. So this, your y is here, here is 0. Every 2 cm is $50. Another 2 cm, it will be $100. Another 2 cm, it will be $150. Another 2 cm, it will be $200. Another 2 cm, it will be $250. Another 2 cm, it will be 300. Another 2 cm, it will be 350. In the negative direction, 2 cm, negative 50. Another 2 cm, negative 100. Okay? Plot. We go back to our table, each of the pair of value will give us one plotting point. So, this pair of x and y will give us 1 point. When x is 0, y is negative 90. So this gives us 1 point. When x equals to 10, y is negative 40. So this gives us another plotting point. When x is 30, y is 60. This gives us another plotting point. When x is 50, y is 160, give us one more plotting point. And the last one, when x equals to 80, y is 310, give us one more plotting point. So altogether, you should plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points onto your graph. First one, 0, negative 90. So when x is 0, y is negative 90. Negative 90 in the y direction,